Everyone, welcome to TPD. Myself Rajiv Gupta. I am the faculty of the Social Studies in your school. This lecture is introduction of the your syllabus of the Social Studies for the class third. So let's begin. Before we begin, I want to tell you something. In the class first, second, you are reading a subject which known as EVS. This EVS is basically known as social studies. Means the title of syllabus will be changed, known as the social studies. In class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th, 12th. Until that time, we will read about the social studies, not EVS. Okay. So this is the cover page. This is the cover page of your book Social Studies, which title is the Social Media. Do you know what is the social studies means? See, social studies as a subject, I will explain as we are living in a society. In society, there are so many community. There are so many people who are following so many religions. There are the so many we have the government, we have police station, we have the health facilities, hospitals, schools, etc, etc, etc. So basically to knowing so deeply about our society is known as the social studies. Understood? This is not a big deal. Social studies is so easy, you can learn so easily. Understood? So let's begin. On the cover page, here are some pictures. First, I will explain about them. This is a statue of a god which is known as the Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha. He was a god who was born in India and then spread a religion known as Buddhism. Today, this picture is, are you familiar with him? This picture is of the Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as our father of nation because he got freedom for us from Britishers. This woman is doing in a dance known as Bharatnatyam, and this is our national emblem, Ashok Chain known as. This is the next slide. This is the list of the chapters which we have to study in the social studies in this year. Okay. First chapter name, see, the sun and its family. You daily see the sun in the daytime and moon in the night time. So we have to learn about the sun which we are seeing every day at the rising time and the set time in the evening. He have a family. That family have 8 members known as planets, and another members are like asteroids, meteoroids, some small particles, dust particles, clouds, etc, etc. So the family of the sun is known as solar system. Understood? We will learn so much about sun family in this chapter. The second chapter is about our earth. Our earth means we are living on the earth. This is a planet basically, which I was telling you. The sun have the family, they have the 8 members. The 8 members are doing what? They are made by rocks, means stone. They don't emit energy, they don't have their own lights, and they what do? They just do motion in the fixed path around the sun daily. Understood? So this is the first one, this is the second one, this one is the third one. The third one is known as Earth. This third one is known as Earth. This is our planet where we all living things, all human beings are living. Understood? So in the second chapter we will learn about the Earth. Then after we will see that our Earth is so much big. our earth is so much big, we can't uh, we can't see the places, the countries, the water bodies present on it at one time. So what we will do, scientists have drawn the small model of earth known as globe. So this is about the third chapter, model of the earth. This is known as globe. Globe is the small model of earth, means our earth similar looks like a globe. Okay, then chapter number 4 will be about air around us. When you will set your hand around you will feel that something is touching your hand. This is no why. Do you know this is why? This is because we are present in the atmosphere, which is basically a mixture of the different type of gases. These gases are known as the air. So there are so many gases around us. We will learn about them in the chapter number 4. Then chapter number 5, usage of water. We, for what purposes we do use of water? We use water for the drinking purpose, for bathing, for washing the clothes, etc. etc. In this chapter, we will learn about the water. Then chapter number 6 will be about our country. Our country name is India. Our country name is India. Then in this chapter, we will learn about our country, our state, our districts, our neighbors inside behind our country in the 4 directions, etc. etc. Then chapter number 7 will be about the India's states. We have total 28 states and 9 union territories, not 29 states right now. And union territory are not 7 now, they are total 9. Okay, because the last state known as the Jammu and Kashmir on the 31st 31st October 31st October 31st October 2020, the state Jammu and Kashmir was divided into 2 union territories known as Jammu Kashmir Union Territory and Ladakh Union Territory. We will learn so deeply about it in the chapter number 7. Then chapter number 8, India and its culture. Culture means we as Indian, what we are wearing as a clothes, what we do, what we eat, how do we live, to whom God we pray, where we go for the pray, which religion we follow. This is collectively known as the culture. So we will learn so much about this in our cultures. Then chapter number 9 is about important city of the India. In this chapter, we will learn about the some cities which are the famous all over the world, like Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chandigarh, Kolkata. There are so many. Few of them we will learn. We will discuss in this chapter. Then next chapter is where is God? Where is gone? Food we eat. Yes, food we eat. Chapter number 10 is food we eat. What kind of food we eat? There are so many classifications. We will learn about this in this chapter. Then chapter 11 is clothes we wear. We wear, like we in summer and other kinds of clothes we wear, in the winter and other kind of clothes we wear. So we will see the classification here. Then chapter number 20 is about the festivals we celebrate. Like we celebrate Diwali, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate Bakrid, we celebrate Pongal festival, we celebrate Baisakhi festival, Makar Sankranti, Holi, etc. etc. Ramjan. So many festivals. So what are the list of those festivals, and these festivals are related to the which religion? We have to know. Then chapter number 13 is about my community. Community means in a society we are living, so there are the groups of the some people known as the community. We will learn about them. Then chapter number 14, occupation. Occupation means what? See, we have just so many expenses, like we have to study, we have to eat food. So to buy food, what we need? We need money. From where we get, from where we will get the money? To get money, we have to do some work, and that work is known as occupation. Understood? Like a farmer do farming in a field. He grows some crop, then sell it in the market to earn money. That is also a part of the occupation. Means the activity which we do to earn some money known as the occupation. We will learn about it in this chapter. Then chapter number 15 about the means of the travel, means by there are how many kinds of vehicles, transportation medium we can travel from one place to another place. For example, you are at a home and our school is in Daniari. So from your home you want to come our school. So you come from what? You come school by the bus. So bus is what called? This is known as the means of travel. You want to go market, suppose Tampuhira. So what we will do? We will say, Papa, I want to go Tampuhira. So you can go with your dad on motorcycle. So motorcycle is what? Means of travel. Understood? Means of the communication. Means of communication is what? You want to say some message here. We want to say something to me or your parents. So the means which you will use is known as the means of communication. For example, I am teaching you through what? I am using the internet, mobile phone to record the video and sending to you. So the mobile phone is known as means of communication. Understood? You can talk me or your friends by the postal cards also. So you want to suppose you want to leave from the school. So what we will do? You will write a letter. So I am suffering from the fever. I need to leave for the 5 days. I can't attend the classes. So letter will be what will be called? That letter will known as the means of communication. Understood? Then chapter number 17 is early human beings. Early human beings means we are modern humans. We are modern humans. So before millions of years, the humans were different from us. Today's humans are known as species of monkeys. So basically, what in the past years, humans were looking different from us. They were known as the early humans. So what they were doing that time, how they collect their food, how they drink water, where they live, to knowing about them. This is all about this chapter. Okay. Then chapter number 18, discovery of fire. Early humans, do you know they were eating flashes without cooking them. But once they discovered the fire, they were trying to bake it, cook well, then just fry the flesh or meat to eat before. So this is all about the discovery, how they discovered the water. Then chapter number 19 were about farming and the wheel. And then early humans start do farming. Then they invented the wheel. It helps them to travel one place to another place. This chapter is all about that. So basically, this was the small summary of the whole syllabus. From the next lectures, we will start in the second lecture. We will start the first lecture and deeply we will discuss all the things. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.